Hey everyone, I'm here to share a gripping story from Zimbabwe, a story about courage, truth, and the fight for human rights. It's about Job Sikhala, a name many of you might not know, but one that echoes loudly in the avenues of activism. Recently, Zimbabwe has been a hotbed of protests. People are standing up, demanding change, demanding rights. In the midst of this turmoil, a tweet from an account claiming to be Job Sikhala stirred the pot by announcing a new protest. But here's where it gets interesting. Job Sikhala, a known activist and a vocal critic of human rights abuses in Zimbabwe, made a bold statement. He said, "I am not in charge of that Twitter account, and I am not planning any protest." You might think, why does this matter? Well, it's about credibility and truth in the age of misinformation. Sikhala hasn't turned his back on the fight. Instead, he's chosen a path of transparency. "I won't turn back to expose Zimbabwe's human rights abuses," he declared. It's not just about leading protests, it's about shining a light on the truth, about being a voice for those who can't speak out. This stance by Sikhala is a powerful reminder of the complexities in activism. It's easy to get lost in the noise, to follow blindly. But true activism, it's thoughtful, it's informed, and it's honest. It involves knowing when to lead, when to speak, and crucially, when to clarify and correct the narratives that misrepresent us. And so, as we look at the struggles of those in Zimbabwe, let's remember the importance of authenticity in our fight for justice. Let's acknowledge the courage it takes to stand firm in one's values, even when the world seems to push against you. Job Sikhala's story isn't just about a tweet or a protest. It's a lesson in the endurance of spirit and the relentless pursuit of truth. Thank you for tuning in. Keep standing up, keep speaking out, and most importantly, keep seeking the truth. Until next time, keep fighting the good fight.